Hello, everybody. So, I'm gonna be trying to do a voice impression of Pomni, because my friends have been kind of telling me that I kind of sound like Pomni in a little bit, in a little way. Do I really sound like Pomni to y'all? I don't know if I do or not, but it's up to y'all. And my friend told me to do a Gangle impression, which, for a theater kid like me, it's not that hard, but sometimes it is when your voice cracks a lot, like mine. My voice does crack a lot, because I'm starting to get, a little sick, and you can probably tell because of my voice, but that's okay. Do y'all think they're gonna release a new episode? Like besides episode 9, because I want more chapters of the Amazing Digital Circus. I know I'm an OG, but I need more. They need to feed me more. I need more food from them. Yeah, that's all for now. Bloomington out.